This video tutorial explains how to update your current XAMPP installation. I'm on my Windows C drive, and my current XAMPP installation, I'm going to append to the end of it a .old, or you can put an underscore and old, but you want to keep this current installation. I'm going to go to ApacheFriends.org website, and I'm going to go ahead and download the current version, the latest version of XAMPP. I want to choose the PHP 7 version, and I'm just going to select download.
I'm going to save the file. I'm going to pause this video until it is completed. I'm back at my desktop, and I have the XAMPP executable file. I'm going to go ahead and double-click on the XAMPP installer. I'm going to go ahead and say OK. I'm going to go ahead and select Next. I'm going to keep all of the settings that were selected. I'm going to say Next. I do want this to go to my C root folder. I want it to be named XAMPP. I'm going to not rename that. I'm going to say Next. I'm not going to learn more about Bitnami at this time. I'm going to say Next. I'm going to say Next. I'm going to go ahead and complete the XAMPP setup wizard, and I do want to start the control panel now, so I'm going to select Finish. I'm going to choose English, Save. I'm going to right-click, and you're going to want to pin this to your taskbar. I've already put it in mine, but go ahead and pin this to your taskbar. I'm going to start my first service, and then I'm going to start MySQL. And this will be your first assignment for week 1. You're just going to go ahead and screen capture this to show me that you have both services running. When you're done, you're going to stop the services and then quit.
I already have my new XAMPP installation already installed. So I'm going to open up a new folder, and I'm going to have the folder of XAMPP on the left-hand side and XAMPP old on the right-hand side of my screen. What I now want to do is take my htdocs folder from my old installation and just make a copy of it and place it into my htdocs and overwrite my htdocs that's on my new installation. Then I'm going to go to the MySQL folder on my XAMPP old and my SQL folder on my XAMPP new. And you're going to go ahead and take the data folder and you're going to move it or copy it to your data folder that's on your new installation. This will move all of your databases that you may have created. I'm going to go ahead and close my XAMPP old installation. I'm going to scroll down to the XAMPP control, and I'm going to go ahead and double click on that and launch my latest XAMPP version. I'm going to start the Apache and the MySQL services. I'm going to click on the admin link that's on the MySQL row, and I'm going to launch PHP MyAdmin. On the left-hand side are my databases, and when I click on the WebD 153 database, all of my tables are installed. I'm going to stop both of my services and then quit. And you're going to make sure that you hold on to your XAMPP old installation as long as you have plenty of space on your hard drive.